What's up, lovely people? Here we are at Humping Even More Pump. We're gonna do 200 and 10-cent denom and see what happens. We'll take it from there.
See your name on any promotional screen. Please make your way to the entertainment lounge now. With your MG Board Card and IED ready to play our game board. Congratulations to our winners, Chloe DeGrand, Deborah Burrell, Sumit Calloway, Demetrios Vegas, Gary Carnegie.
He's coming. Right into an early bonus.
Melba Chance.
Oh, wow. There's a whole bunch of hats out there. Let's see what happens.
Rebecca Bonvoy, Rose Marie Messina,
Let's see.
Sharon Clark.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Wednesday, Yvonne Long.
Where are the hats? Come on, hats.
And Seth Raz.
Oh,
Again, if you
man.
just heard your name
Another
on
bad
any
bonus.
on any promotional screen, please make your way to the
Another bad bonus.
with your MG Award Card and IC ready to play our game board.
All right, we got a retrig, finally.
And everyone else, you know,
Finally, we got one retrig.
to hear your name called at our next drawing time. Good luck,
We
everyone.
need that to happen 3 more times. Oh, no. Come on, hat. Ah. It's another bad bonus. Another bad bonus. I'll take a minor. Come on, minor. $6. Let's see what this is. 150. Come on. $200. I'm not happy with the bonus.